Hello guys, in this video I will guide you on how to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy A07 without password. So if you've forgotten your password, PIN or pattern of your Samsung Galaxy A07 and you want to factory reset the device, the process is quite simple. First things first, we would have to put our Samsung Galaxy A07 on recovery mode. The way you put your Samsung Galaxy A07 on recovery mode is to first of all turn off the device, but you can't actually turn off your Samsung Galaxy A07 when the password is locked, because once you click on the power logo or press on the power button, you're going to be required to enter your password, PIN or pattern before you can actually turn off the device. But there is actually a workaround for this, and that is to get a USB cable just like this one over here. Now this is actually a USB-A to a USB-C cable, and what you want to do is to connect one part of the cable to your laptop or PC. So go ahead and connect the USB-A part of the cable to your laptop or PC. Your laptop does not have to be doing anything, just make sure it is turned on, and then you want to connect the other part of the cable to your Samsung Galaxy A07. So I'll go ahead and connect mine. Now once you plug it and then your Samsung Galaxy A07 begins to charge as it is showing over here, we are now going to proceed by pressing on some key combinations on the right hand side of the Samsung Galaxy A07. What you want to do is to long press on the power button and the volume down button, and then once the screen turns off, you want to move your hand from the volume down button to the volume up button while still pressing on the power button. So we're going to do that together now. So you want to first of all tap on the screen so that it actually brings up the light, then long press on the power button and the volume down button. Now just press and hold just like so until the screen goes off, and once the screen goes off, you want to move your hand to the volume up button now, so just like so. Give it a couple of minutes. Now once you see the Samsung logo, proceed to release both the power button and the volume up button. Okay, so this is the Samsung logo. Release both buttons now, and automatically your Samsung Galaxy A07 should go into recovery mode. At this point, what you want to do is to use the volume up and the volume down button to navigate through all of the options we have over here until you get to the wipe data and factory reset option. So use the power button to select it, and now you want to scroll down using the volume down button again to the factory data reset option, then select it with the power button. And then automatically once you see the data wipe complete, it means that the factory resetting process is completed. At this point, you just want to go ahead and select the reboot system now option using the power button, and now your Samsung Galaxy A07 is going to restart itself and the factory resetting process is completed. You're just going to be taken back to the initial setup page for your Samsung Galaxy A07. Okay, so now we are back to the initial setup page. You can now proceed to set up your Samsung Galaxy A07. Keep in mind that if you have your Google account or Gmail signed into your Samsung Galaxy A07 previously, you would be required to sign into that Google account if you do not have your password, PIN or pattern. But if you do not have your Google account or Samsung account signed in previously on the device, you can easily just set it up without any problem. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel.